Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we will learn why is accounting called the language of business. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way and get update regularly, please subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Why is accounting called the language of business? Before we discuss it, we first need to learn what the language is. Language is a medium by which people express their feelings to one another. People express all their emotions in a proper way by words. Language is the sum of a few words and symbols. The language may be of two types, one oral, the other written. There are many people in the world who publish expression his own language. For example, people in Bangladesh speak Bengali and people in the United States and the United Kingdom speak English, and people in India speak Hindi, as well as business has its own language, in which each business organization publishes its information to others. Accounting is the process by which the business organization communicates its data with others. In modern times, accounting is known as the business language. Accounting is used as a means of publishing financial events that take place in an institution. We know that the sender and the receiver are required to use the language. In the field of accounting, the accountant acts as the sender and the various parties associated with the organization, such as the owner, workers, creditors, government, investors, and debtors, all acting as clients or receivers of financial information. Just as the language expresses the mind in arranging the words neatly and clearly, so does the accounting that records all transactions carried out in the book of accounts, accurately and beautifully, informing all parties concerned about the financial results and the financial condition. Just as different synonyms, symbols, lines, and signals are used in the language, different synonyms, lines, signals and symbols can be used in the accounts sector. For example, debit, credit, assets, liabilities, etc. That's why accounting is called the business language. When the language is simple and understandable to all, the language becomes universal. Accounting also conducts its duties in compliance with accounting principles and internationally recognized laws. Since the language is controlled by its grammar, accounting is governed by accounting rules and so on. Using accounting information, the management authority conducts business and publishes its results to stakeholders. This is why accounting is called the language of business. So, considering all of the above, we can say that accounting is the language of business. Thanks for watching.